This is Brick Johnson. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a Sega Game Gear I got from somebody. Now, his YouTube channel and such will be linked in the description. This is from Just Extreme 96, so shout out goes to him for sending me this Game Gear and accessories. I only paid like $80. I'm going to unbox this here. There we go. Alright, skin open. Here this is. This has a Sega Game Gear battery pack, a car adapter or some handy plug, and here you go. Here it is. That's actually the it's actually an adapter. Sega power backs for charging. Let's open this. Nothing in this pocket. Here we go. And here's everything that came with it. Here's the Game Gear. The game come with it. Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Here's a magnifier. You know how you hook this up right here? Something like that, and it magnifies the screen. Alright. I have heard these batteries don't work, so real quick I'm going to get some baking soda. Dissolve that water and we'll see if that would work to get the batteries working. Now that I got the batteries, I'm going to put in some here because I had to clean some of this with baking soda and a Q-tip. So let me just put this here. And that's not all. There's the other one. See if this works on battery pack, because he told me that the batteries don't work. So let's see. Oh, it works. Oh, look at that. All right. Just got to make sure this. Oh wait, I forgot. There's no game. So let me put in a game here. My mistake, right? Yeah. Here's a Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Let's play that. I realize there's no game in it, so that's why it has that. Okay. So plug this in here. Okay, I'm going to try and get this to work. I'm going to try many things. Hold on. Let's unplug that. Here we go, it works. I had to blow the games out. Did you see that? There you go, I had to turn up the volume. I'm going to play some of this game. I hope you can see that. What? There you go, I got the volume turned up again. Hold on a sec, let me just blow this out again. Hang on. Yeah. It's going to be a while before I get the game to work, but you saw the game working, so I'll just stop there and we'll cut. Alright, so Mortal Kombat at least works. At least I got the game working on battery power. It's just Mortal Kombat at least works for now. Hey Casey, can you shut that off? I got Mortal Kombat working. Hold the camera.
Oh!
Just press the start button. Well, I don't get sound. There we go. Choose my fighter. Sorry if you can't see well, but you see it works good, right? Can you see it? Yeah. Let's try medium. Yeah, look at that. I won on my first game. It's gonna be second round. There you go. I win. Alright, so we did get Mortal Kombat working on this. So we're going to see if Sonic 2 works. Yeah, it's just for some reason Sonic 2 doesn't work, but Mortal Kombat does. Let's try again. It's funny, it worked earlier. There we go. See, that's working. What gives? Fucking sound distorted. Well, that ain't supposed to happen. Yeah, for some reason this game is probably corrupted. I'm gonna have to clean the inside of this game here. But other than that, at least Mortal Kombat at least worked. You saw me play it a little earlier, and you saw that the game actually did work. So let's try Mortal Kombat 2. Sorry if my shirt's a bit wet. I literally came here in the rain. See that? So that's Mortal Kombat 2. Let's press the start button. Okay. Skip logos. Skip medium. It might be a hard game, who knows? I'll pick Scorpion. At least we got the Game Gear working on battery power. At least that actually helped a little, because I was told by Just Extreme that that didn't work. Like, for some reason the batteries didn't work. This didn't work on batteries, but now it does. Scorpion wins. See, I win. It's round 2. Even on the medium, it feels a little bit easy, but just kind of hard at the same time. Well, I didn't win the second round. Alright, here we go again. That was like a sneak attack right there. Be a hard game. I lost. Oh well, I'm not perfect at these games, but you see that the Game Gear works great. Alright, here's Sonic the Hedgehog 2 working. Hey, you know, if you could film me playing some Sonic 2? Alright, I'm gonna give this to my friend Casey. There you go. Packed through Act 1, so. Alright, that's some proof of the Sonic 2 working. So this has been a success. I was able to fix the battery part on the Game Gear, so far that happened to work. Thanks again to Just Extreme 96 for sending this. Again, a link to his YouTube channel and the video where he opened the Game Gear and accessories from 2019. That video will also be linked in the description. And yeah, so that's about all for the overview or review of the Game Gear.